So Bing have just introduced voice chatting feature in new Bing, which is the more convenient and easy way to use Bing Chat, and it can also support multiple languages to chat with AI. In this article, Microsoft mentioned that we know many of you love using voice input for the mobile chat, and it's now available on the desktop by clicking on the microphone icon in the Bing chat box. And these are a few languages that it currently supports: English, Japanese, French, German, and Mandarin, and many more languages are on the way. And here, they have tried a famous tongue twister just to showcase the ability of this AI. Well, I'm not gonna try this out because I'm really bad in it. So let's try out this feature. Open up your Bing chat, and in the corner we have voice chat microphone. So let's try it out. Hey, can you write a joke for me where every word is starting with letter A?
Searching for joke where every word starts with letter A. Sure. Here's a joke for you. Aardvarks acting awkwardly always attract an amused audience. I hope you like it.
Okay, really cool. So it doesn't provide the text only, it replies with her own voice. Well, Googlebot also have this feature, but it doesn't reply with voice, it only provides the text form. So let's take it one step further. Hey, generate a picture of a beautiful woman who is lost in a desert. So this could be a really cool way to generate pictures with AI. So let's see what it comes up with.
I'll try to create that.
So now he provided 4 different pictures using Bing Image Creator, which is obviously depends on DALL-E 2. Can you change the color of her dress?
I'll try to change the color of her dress.
So it changed the color of her dress, but it also changed the character. Design a minimal logo for a coffee shop.
I'll try to design a minimal logo for a coffee shop.
And now we have a logo of coffee shop, which is not bad actually. This is very minimalistic. So this is a really fun to generate images with voice instead of typing text. So this could be turned out into be a voice to image generation. Well, the voice recognition works really good even for a person like me because I'm not a native speaker of English. So let's try out the other languages. How does it work with different languages? Hey, explain the artificial intelligence and answer in Spanish.
La inteligencia artificial, IA, es la combinación de algoritmos planteados con el propósito de crear máquinas que presenten las mismas capacidades que el ser humano. Una tecnología que todavía nos resulta lejana y misteriosa, pero que desde hace unos años está presente en nuestro día a todas horas.
So I don't know if it translated correct or not, but if you guys know Spanish or any Spanish person watching this video, let me know in the comment section. So that was a quick update from Microsoft about their Bing Chat, and this is a good initiative from Bing Chat because Googlebot is the biggest competitor of Bing Chat, and now Bing Chat is also using this feature. And let me know in the comment section how you guys gonna use this feature, and if you guys like advancements in AI, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.